Good morning, students. I am Shilpa teacher. Today we are going to start our new chapter HCF and LCM, that is highest common factor and least common multiplier. Before starting actual content, like every time, just we will recall some things from your previous standard. First is, what is meant by prime number? Prime numbers can be defined as the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself only, that numbers are called prime numbers. For example, 3, 5, 7. These numbers are coming in their table only. So these are just divisible by 1 and themselves only. So these are called prime numbers. Can we say 6 as a prime number? No, because 6 is coming in 1's table, 2's table, 3's table and 6 itself. So we can't say 6 as a prime number because it is coming in these numbers table. Like that, suppose 10, it is coming in 2's table, 5's table and 10's table. So it is also not a prime number. Next is list of prime numbers from 1 to 100. There are in total 25 prime numbers are there from 1 to 100. First number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. Now just see this question. Circle the prime numbers from given list. So list is here in front of you. From that just identify prime numbers and circle that. 17 is prime number. Then next is 3 is prime number. 2 is prime number. 23 is prime number. Then next is 41 is prime number. 43 is prime number. Next is 79 is prime number and 97 is also prime number. Next concept is composite number. The numbers which are divisible by 1 itself and some other numbers, then that number will be a composite number. For example, 24 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 24. So 24 is divisible by all these numbers. That's why this is not a prime number. 25, it is divisible by 1, 5 and 25. So this is also not a prime number. So in this way we can identify prime numbers and composite numbers. So we have discussed about prime number and composite number. Have you observed that 1 is not included in prime numbers and composite numbers because 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Remember this thing, 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. See the question, how many composite numbers are present from 1 to 25? Just now we have seen there are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. We know that 1 is not a prime, not composite. So from 100 numbers, if we will subtract 25 prime numbers and 1, that will be 74. So there are 74 composite numbers. Next concept is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers can be defined as the numbers which have only one as common factor are said to be co-prime numbers. For example, 10 and 11. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. Factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Factors means you know that factors are the numbers by which they are divisible. So, for these two numbers, common factor is 1. You can see here common number is 1. So, they are co-prime numbers. So, if the common factor is 1, that numbers are co-prime numbers. Next is 41 and 45. We have to check that whether these numbers are co-prime numbers or not. So, for that we have to write the factors of 41 and 45. 41's factor are 1 and 41. Why? Because 41 is prime number. So, it will be just coming in this table and itself table. And factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9 and 15. So, in this also common factor is just 1. So, they are co-prime numbers. Next concept is twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers can be defined as if the difference between the two co-prime numbers is 2, then the numbers are said to be twin prime numbers. Means they should be first co-prime numbers and their difference should be 2. Then only they can be said as twin prime numbers. By example, we will see the pair of numbers 3 and 5. Write the factors of 3, 1 and 3. Factors of 5, 1 and 5, because these both are prime numbers. So, common factor between them is 1. Therefore, they are co-prime. And if we see difference between them, 5 minus 3 is 2. That's why they are twin prime numbers also. Consider second example, 11 and 13. We have to check whether these numbers are twin prime or not. Factors of 11, 1 and 11. Factors of 13, 1 and 13. So, common factor between them is 1. So, they are co-prime numbers. Difference between them now, 13 minus 11 is 2. As they are co-prime numbers and their difference is 2, they are twin prime numbers. Now, we will start practice set 10. See first question, which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? Already we have discussed this. 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number. Next question is, which of the following are pairs of co-primes? First is 8 and 14. So, for that write the factors of 8 and 14. Factor of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. See here the factors which are common in these two are 1 and 2. So, here common factors are 1 and 2. So, therefore, they are not co-prime numbers. Next question is 4, 5. Write factors of these numbers. 4's factor are 1, 2, 4 and factors of 5 are 1 and 5 because it is a prime number. Here the common factor between them is just 1. So, they are co-primes. Next question, list the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. Already from 1 to 100 prime numbers I have listed. You can check the video. So it will be homework for you. Now we will move to question number 4. Write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. There are only two pairs of twin prime numbers from 51 to 100 and they are 59 and 61. Because their common factor is 1, so they are co-prime, and their difference is 2, so they are twin prime number. Second pair is 71 and 73. They are co-prime also and twin prime also. Next question, question number 5. Write the pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. This question will be homework for you. Now last question, which are the even prime numbers? Even prime number is just 1 and that is 2. No any prime number is even. Just even prime number is 2. Now here are some examples, extra questions based on practice set 10. Just solve this in your notebook. And remaining questions from practice set 10, that also solve in your notebook.